I'm Brandy Thomas, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about TABS's hard money lending process. One of our most frequently asked questions is, what is the process of hard money lending? So we've created this infographic to show you how truly simple it is. So step one, we need to know about your project, what you need financing. After you send us a little bit of information, we'll review it and let you know if it's something that we can finance. So we'll give you a call, shoot you an email, and talk through it. Step three, we will need a full loan application, and we do require an application fee. This is for us to do a due diligence on you and also the property. After we receive your full loan application, we'll review it and let you know if this is something that we can finance. If we can, we'll give you a conditional pre-approval. And at which case we go to title, we work on getting clean title, we'll require some docs from you, and it's also case-by-case basis dependent upon what documents we will need. If you're a builder and you're doing a new construction home, we will need a lot more information than rather a fix and flip project. And then finally, we'll go to title. We'll send all the closing documents, and then we'll fund the deal, and you can take deed to the property. So that's our process for hard money lending. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call.